Ready to unleash your voice and share your ideas with the world? Let's jump right in. First, head over to Buzzsprout's website and either sign up or log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard, your command center for everything podcast related. The heart of Buzzsprout is episode uploading. Simply click the upload button and then browse those episode audio files from your desktop. Within a click or two, you can begin the process of uploading your podcast episode. Next, you will need to customize your episode's metadata on the editing page. You will be able to add your episode's title, a compelling description, and awesome artwork. These elements are crucial for grabbing listeners' attention. Buzzsprout makes it easy to distribute your podcast. Go to the distribution tab in your dashboard, and you can find various platforms to submit to, such as Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Google Podcasts. Follow their directions to submit your podcast. Finally, don't forget to analyze your podcast performance by checking the analytics dashboard. You can monitor your downloads, track listener demographics, and gain valuable insights to tailor your content. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to building a successful podcast using Buzzsprout.